So I'm pretty excited. I just got this GearWrench 3/8-inch socket set for my family for my birthday, and it's just arrived. This is a 57 piece, both standard and metric, and it's got both shallow and deep well sockets in there. It's all 6-point, of course, and it comes with two ratchets. So let's open it up and see what it has. This is all in the GearWrench colors, which we've come to know, and I'm just gonna open this up here on the side, give it a bit of a rip. There we are. Okay, so let's see what we got. Turn this around, and we'll open it up. Oh yes, baby, this is what I'm talking about. Very, very nice. So of course it's got the two ratchets. This is both of these are 84 tooth, and it's got the standard length as well as the stubby, which is pretty awesome. Listen to that. Pretty fine. I like that. Listen to that. Isn't that so cool? Look at that. 84 tooth. Sounds pretty awesome. Low profile head. This feels really, it's got a really nice weight. It feels very good. So in the set you have, besides the two ratchets, you have one universal joint. You have a 3-inch extension, 6-inch extension, and then, as we said, you have both shallow and deep well sockets. Now we have the metric and the standard. So let's see what we got in here. Look from the top here, and this is from a 1/4 inch. The deep well goes from a 1/4 inch all the way to 7/8 of an inch. So from 1/4 to 7/8 is the deep well sockets. You'll see the difference as well between the standard and the metric is over here at the bottom. There's a ridge pattern here for the metric, and just plain grooves for the standard. So that should tell them apart right there. So that goes a 1/4 inch to, we said, 7/8, and on the shallow side it goes from a 1/4 inch all the way to, this is the biggest one right here, and this is 1 inch. So you've got the shallows going from a 1/4 all the way up to 1 inch. That's very nice. And you've got the deep wells going from a 1/4 to 7/8. Also really, really nice. On the metric side, we have them going from 6 millimeters all the way to I believe it's 19. Yes, 19 millimeters. So from 6 to 19 on the deep well, and on the shallow side we have going from 6 up to 19 as well. So 6 to 19 on the deep well, and 6 to 19 on the shallow ones as well. Now what's really cool about the set is the fact that these shallow ones are low profile. So what's really nice is that your deep well sockets has a shallow broach in there, and so you won't have trouble with nuts falling down. That's pretty cool to have that shallow broach. You can just feel the weight of these things. These are pretty impressive when it comes to the quality in here. The quality of the chrome work you can see is really good, and you can feel the weight of the metal that was used. This is really a quality set. When it comes to sockets or tools, the GearWrench and Tecton, these are above the normal sort of Harbor Freight or Pittsburgh or big box store kind of tools. It might not be Matco or Snap-on, but these are really good quality. You can use this as a professional mechanic, but for myself, a DIYer, weekend warrior, for us, this is a really nice set. So you've got a 3/8 set here covering, without skipping any sizes, from 6 millimeters all the way to 19, and then on the standard from 1/4 to 7/8. But you've still got that 1 inch here in your shallow. Of course, when it comes to 1 inch, if you can, I'd like to use a 1/2 inch drive instead of a 3/8. This is a pretty solid set that I think that you will get good use from. It will last you a long time, and it doesn't break the bank. Now, for someone like myself, I will just take this set, I will take this out of this box, it will go into my tool chest, and I'll use it from there. But if you want to use it in the box itself, it's pretty sturdy. It's got the soft padding up here just to keep it from sliding around, and you could just take it like that and use it anywhere that you want. Or if you want to just take off the top cover, just take it off over there, and then this bottom part you can just put into your tool chest as is, and it's going to be nicely laid out for you. There's not a lot of wasted space around if you have a look. So this will be very economical, for using your space to do that. I can't wait to use this set. I think this set is going to be pretty awesome to use. This is going to go in like that. Listen to that. Very nice. And this, as I said, this low profile is going to be so easy to use. My first impressions of this is really good. I think that this set is gonna last me a long time, and I think that it's gonna be very, very helpful for the work that I do. Very, very happy. I told my family, thank you very much for this gift, and I think that they'll get the fruit of this as I fix their vehicles for them. This has a lifetime warranty, of course. The part number is 80550, and I will put a link below in the description as to where you can find this on Amazon.